Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing another video on my Monster Jam reviews. So let's get right into it. Here we have Tough Enough. Really nice truck. My dad actually got this from West Palm Beach. He went to go see Dave Matthews Band, his favorite band. So he decided to get this for me. So I was happy. Pretty old truck that I have. So next we have Aftershock. I don't remember where I got this truck at. So yeah, that's basically it for this truck. Tell me guys in the comments what's your favorite truck. It doesn't have to be in this video. It can just say what's your favorite truck in any video. Say what's your favorite truck, all-time favorite truck. So here we have Clydesdale. I remember when I got this. All thanks to my cat. Actually, funny story, I found it. So I got this one on Easter, and so I decided to play hide and go seek with my monster trucks. I hid them and tried to find them. Well, guess what? I put one on a plant thing, and it fell into the plant thing. It was just a fake plant thing. It was covering a lot, and you couldn't see the bottom. It fell into that, and one day, my cat knocked it over. Out comes rolling out this truck. Got it on Easter. I lost this truck for a year and finally found it. I'm like, thanks, Yo-Yo, because that's what my cat's name is. Called him Yo-Yo. Really nice cat. 2 more trucks left. What can they be? I don't know. We'll find out. Actually, you guys already know, but here we have Storm Damage. I got this one at Target. I might have an unboxing later tonight. Who knows? So yeah. Tonight or tomorrow I might post one. Might post 3 videos today. Who knows? Last but not least, we have Storm Damage Mud Trucks. I've got this one for Christmas, and I was actually sick that day. You guys know the story. I think it goes back to my first video, around there. Really nice truck. And guys, just saying, ask me in the comments if you guys want me to do a sign-up series, because I don't really know if I should or not. The playset cost $20 to get it, and I got 5. I might be getting a new monster truck today, but I'll try to save up for 20. So guys, that is basically it for this monster truck reviews. So, thank you for watching. Bye.